This video discusses the proper use of peer-to-peer comments. Peer-to-peer comments allow you to make comments about your teammates and are integrated into a peer evaluation survey created by your instructor. With constructive feedback, each teammate can build on their strengths and improve in areas where they fall short, making the team more effective and enjoyable. Your instructor has 3 options to release peer-to-peer comments. Your comments are only seen by your instructor, your comments are released to your teammates, or your comments are released to your teammates anonymously. Once you are finished rating your teammates, an extra screen like the one shown will appear. You can then complete comments about each of your team members. Each comment box needs to be filled out before you are able to move on. Note that the purple banner above the comment boxes displays the release option that your professor has chosen. When you have completed the comment sections, click the Next button. Remember, as you're writing your comments, to keep the following guidelines in mind. Be respectful. You shouldn't say anything in the written comments that you would not say to a person's face. Be real. Your comments should be honest and constructive. Comments cannot be deleted. Be trustworthy. Do not violate the trust of your teammates and instructors by publicizing your comments about others or theirs about you. Make sure your comments only relate to teammates' behavior and contribution to the team. You should not make comments related to gender, ethnicity, national origin, appearance, or anything else unrelated to the team's work. Your comments should be yours alone. If your professor decided to release the peer-to-peer comments, you can find results by clicking View Results next to the activity name. The released comments from your peers will be available at the bottom of the page. Each box states from whom the comments originated. If your instructor released comments anonymously, each box will display the word anonymous instead of the teammate's name. Thank you for watching. Please fill out the survey in the description box below to let us know how we're doing, and like this video if it was helpful. If you have any further questions, please reach out to support@catme.org.